I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the Nothing phone so the hotspot will be stable. Charge above 20% and confirm mobile data is on. This prevents abrupt shutdowns. Open Settings, then go to Network and Internet or Connections. Naming varies by build. Locate Hotspot and Tethering in that menu. Pause here. Do not enable the hotspot yet. Once done, tap into Hotspot settings to reveal SSID and password options, because you will customize them for security and compatibility before turning the feature on. Now configure the hotspot so devices can connect reliably. Tap hotspot name and give a clear SSID. That helps you pick it from other networks. Choose security, prefer WPA2 or WPA3, then type a strong password you can remember but others cannot guess. Next, set the AP band. Pick 2, 4 GHz for broader range or 5 GHz for faster throughput nearby. Also verify the timeout and connected device limits, so the phone won't auto-disable or block extra users unexpectedly. Enable the hotspot by toggling it on in the hotspot and tethering screen. You should see an active indicator and connected device count when clients join. On the client, select the SSID and enter the password exactly. Once connected, test browsing to confirm internet sharing. If it fails, first toggle airplane mode on then off on the phone to reset radios and retry. If problems persist, restart the Nothing phone or reset network settings. This clears misconfigurations without affecting personal files.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.